Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I am giving you quick demonstration how to set free caller tune in Airtel network. It's absolutely free Hello Tunes and no chargeable. So let's start video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. So let's start. First of all, Apple device or Android device, simply download one application using your Apple Store or Android devices like WA Music Song. This application is available like absolutely free. Just only visit on Play Store or App Store and download this application and wait couple of seconds, depend upon your internet speed. Wait couple of seconds, depend upon your internet speed, and this application is downloadable, loading here. So this application is download here. So open this application, simply access location, and simply you sign up using your Airtel number or other number also, no problem for, but right now I am using in a Airtel network, so that's why I type directly here my Airtel network. Otherwise you can skip here, no need for the download or no need for the registration also. So this is an application of mp3 song. You can listen very easily some music also here, but here some simply in a top up screen like in a home search, and here one caller tunes related information, but it's you set the caller tune, so it's mandatory to sign up using your Airtel number. I'm sign up using my Airtel number. After sign up, this Hello Tunes options are come here, like I'm selecting here, click. So here some samples are come. So right now I'm searching like here Besabriya. So I can I already set up this songs in Besabriya, but right now I just select another song. Suppose for example you search here and type RSTDM. Here some songs are come, so I select here Madhosh Dil, Rehna Hai Tere Dil Mein. So select this one. So like this song is on here. So now I set up this songs as a caller tune. So here Hello Tune options are come, like click here Hello Tune, so you can play here. So I select this one and then activation free. So congratulations, your Hello Tune is set shortly in 5th of November. Extended validity anytime to free. You can change, modify number of time in to daily basis. It's Hello Tune is absolutely set. So right now I am receiving the message your caller tune had been Rehna Hai Tere Dil Mein as per Hello Tune unlimited tune charge using this particular application. So you can use this application and set your Hello Tune. So I'm changing my application again, like my favorite song Besabriya, this one. So I select this one Hello Tune. So activation is free, your Hello Tune is set, activating. Right now this Hello Tune is shortly set on my number, so someone are calling me listening this music. It's very simple for the Airtel, no need for any kind of subscription or chargeable prices. It's absolutely free, and using this application it solve the problem. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.